Horrible road. Not bike worthy. Not bike worthy. BikeBlogger here. On my way home from work. I don't think that guy realized I was going so fast. I'm going 22. Comes a cyclist. Gave him a little wave. Didn't take my hands off the handlebars though. Oh. One gear. Actually, I got 2 gears in this bike. No topic for tonight, so da 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 da. Enjoy the ride. Bunch of trucks. Water looks refreshing. Uh-oh. Shouldn't say that. Thought I felt a couple raindrops. Or maybe I'm just spitting on myself. Okay. Nobody around. Quiet. Da, da, da. See a car parked or stopped up over there, straight ahead. I don't think they're waiting for the Metrolink. Could be wrong though. We're not going over there, we're going this way tonight. Looking at myself in the glazing on that building over there. I got some pretty bright lights. And we're chilling today, we're using the easy gear. Spin it to win it. You know what? It might not be rain I was feeling. Might have been bugs. horrible. Horrible road. Not bike worthy. Not bike worthy. Let's make it right here. Yeah. Da, 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 da. Now we wait. Hearing a weird noise. I go over all these bumps. Might have shook something a little loose. Check some of my bolts later. Alright, we need to sort of speed it up here. Based on my experience, if you go pretty fast here, you get the road to yourself. Going 28. Da 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 da. See, that worked out just fine. So left lane. Make a left here. When safe to do so, which isn't quite now. Should have gone a little faster. It is mosquitoes or something in the air. Definitely not raindrops. Gotta clean and or replace my cleats on my shoes because they're making a little noise as well. At some point, you just gotta, come to terms with it. You're sometimes just gonna always have little noises. Unless you keep your bike in tip-top shape all the time. I recommend not worrying about it that much. You should take care of your bike though, and it'll take care of you. Same goes with your body. Da 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 da. backup lights on. What the heck? Not gonna deal with it. We'll go this way instead. Boy, a lot of people here tonight. Must be a city hall meeting or something. It is Tuesday night. Shaka, 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 shaka. They have the road closed or something over there. Let's see. Temporarily. Go BikeBlogger. Straight across the street. Woo! Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Share that BikeBlogger. You don't have to keep me to yourself. Wear a helmet.